Fellow pips, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. I've got a parcel, and if you've not seen the last video, go and take a look, because that'll explain why I've purchased this thing in this box. So when was the last time I actually purchased a GoPro? It was a long time ago, and I mean, I've still got my Hero 4 black. I had a Hero 4 silver, but unfortunately that fell out of a window. I'm going to show you the tracking information from UPS. It went from the Netherlands and it stayed overnight at this small place in England, Stamford-le-Hope. Very strange. And then it made its way up the UK from the southeast of England into the Midlands. And there it is, now sitting on my table. So let's crack this thing open and see what it's all about. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Here it comes. Give birth to a new camera. Here it comes. Here it comes. So I went for the bundle, and I just felt that it's the easiest thing to do is just to go with a bundle. That way you've got what you need to get you going, because I know myself, I'm always going to need another battery. It works out really reasonable. But you know what the strange thing was that in the listing there was two ways of purchasing this camera. The first purchase was you buy it outright. In fact, I'm going to get the information up. So this is the information that we can have. The way it works, it's the GoPro 9. You could go with a subscription, or you could just have the bundle or buy the camera itself. Now, as you can read here, it says the Hero 9 Black 329.98 includes 1 year subscription to GoPro, or 429.99 without the subscription. Now, it says that, but it's not, because subscription is actually £49 for the year, but the markup value of the deal is still much better than it could ever be by just buying the camera alone. And the only way to do that is by subscribing, and it is so simple to do. It really is. All I had to do was add to the cart, and then when you come to pay for it, because you select that you want the subscription and the bundle, then you add to cart, then there you go, look, and there it is, 379.98. So it's now gone up, but the subscription and the bundle should be 529.98, and you're paying 379. So it is a little bit misleading, the fact that it says the camera is only X amount, but realistically, if you want the bundle and you want the free shipping and you want the 1 year plus and the card and the bundle and everything that I've done, that's what it's going to cost you. Is 379.98. So don't be misled, because you don't get note for note, and that is what you're going to pay. But for me, I just went for the full hit and it's job done. So let's carry on with this unboxing. People are going on about the packaging and the fact that now there's no plastic, which is a great thing, because it was never brilliant, was it, really? The way you just get into this thing is just be aggressive, like an Amazon parcel. But look, it's not the best. It's not the best, is it? But it is only cardboard. But I like the packaging. I do like to have packaging. And then the next thing you get is this sexy little case from GoPro with the logo on at the bottom right hand corner. Yeah, it's like many other cases I've got. It's pretty generic, and it is exactly what it is. So we'll pop it open, and there it all is there, look. We've got, here is the one or two little things that you get with it, which is a USB-C lead and the magnetic clip, the two batteries. We've got some mounts, which are always nice to have. Sticky mount there. Can you remember on the old GoPros when on the box they was attached to one, and it was sort of like a free third mount that you could have? And this for me is a great little thing. A brilliant thing. And what I love about it is, you know, we can just slide the GoPro straight in there on one of the mounts. Absolutely, but oh, it's so, that realistically is so lightweight. It's unbelievable. It doesn't extend or anything like that. It's a floater. But look, this is the quality that you get when you buy a GoPro. Not like your third party Amazon stuff that you get for a few quid. You can honestly feel the difference. The sponge in there is really comfortable. I really like that. That's a top job, GoPro. So yeah, what else we got? We've got our instructions just in the top here, along with our SD card. And I'm just going to keep those in there, and that will keep them safe. That is basically just to keep things in order while it's traveling. So what I will do is make a sponge nest in there. You know, just a custom nest, something nice that I can just pop the batteries in and have the main equipment safe. The main equipment realistically for me will be these items where I can just crack them open and go. But like always, I always have my video camera ready to go, because you know that looks nice and neat, but as soon as you turn it over, they're just going to rock and roll everywhere, and you've got metal parts in there, which is not the best thing to have laying around. So we're just going to open her up. That's where your battery goes, in there, and along with your SD card. There it is. So we're just going to pop that in there. Wow. Very nice. See if we've got any power in our batteries. I expect we should have. As you can see, the blue tab there is for just pulling that out, and if you just look inside there, you can see where the terminals are for the battery. Yeah, so give it a good push in. Strange. Yep, so there we go. Now I'll just set this up and get back to you. As soon as you set your camera up to your app, you're going to get a message telling you that you need to update your firmware. And these are the things that you get in the update. So pause the video and take a quick look, because that's what you're going to get. There it is, complete. So we've now connected our app to our new GoPro, and there it is, shiny, very shiny. So there's many things that, you know, we need to look at, to go over. As you can see here, the battery level's really low, it's only at 17%, and we've also got a green memory card there, so we can only go with what we've got. So I'm going to take some time out now and have a quick look and see how it all works, and get back to you. Cheers guys. So it's been so long since I've recorded with GoPros, and they've changed so much, and I asked myself when I actually seen the GoPro 9, where have I been? I think I gave up on GoPro a little while ago. I've still got my Hero 4 Black, which is a great little camera, and I've also got the Sessions, which I have on my motorbike. which again is a great little camera for that, but that's about it. I've got some battery still, but it's changed so much that there's nothing that's compatible, but you expect that over time. And you know, let's just get out there and see what this camera can do. If you've seen the last video, you know why I've done it. If not, go and take a look, because that'll literally explain the reason why. So with that said and done, guys, there's one thing left to do. That's get out and shoot. You know you want to. I'll see you soon. Take care.